Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see how to make this obstacle avoiding robot. For this build, I am using this Vivo motor. This is the DualShock one. So these Vivo motors, and I am using these tires which is suitable for these Vivo motors, and electronics. I am using this Arduino UNO. And for motors I am using this motor driver. So I am using this L293D motor driver. Okay, so this is the L293D motor driver. So it will drive 4 motors, and I am using this, you can see here, SR04 ultrasonic sensor. Okay, this is a small wood piece, around it's like 10 centimeters, and this is like 14 centimeters. Okay, and this is the holder, 1860 battery holder, and I'm using this switch, kind of like a power on off. So for this build I'm using this 9-gram micro servo, and I'm using this 18650 batteries to power the project. Okay, first what I will do is, for these motors I will solder the wires. For all these 4 motors I will attach these wires. So I will attach these wires. Okay, then I will place this motor on this wood. I will place this motor on this wood. Okay, like this. Okay. This 4 side 4. Okay, then I'll be back. So you can see here motors, and for the motors wheels attached, and these wires are taken up through this small hole. Okay, so now what I will do, I will mount the electronics here. Okay. So now we need to mount this motor driver. So motor driver we need to mount like this. Okay, like this. It mount. Now I will connect all these motor wires here. This motor wire here, this motor wire here, this motor wire here, this motor wire here. Like that I will connect, then I'll be back. Now this board and all everything is ready. Now I will add the servo here. So this servo I will glue it here. Okay, so on top of this I will place the sensor. So how I will place the sensor is like this is my ultrasonic sensor, and for this I have 3D printed a holder like this. So what I will do, I'll just place it like this. The sensor will be here, so wires I will connect here. Okay, so I place like this. Then see this control horn, I will glue it below this. After that, this whole thing I will place it on this servo. Okay, so after that what I will do, I will place this I will place these batteries inside the holder, then I will place it here. So like this. In the middle I placed one switch for like on and off, this switch we can see. So then I will connect the power like positive negative here, then it will be ready for programming. Okay, I will do that, then I'll be back. So now this everything is ready, just we need to place the battery and give a power connection here. Okay, so that I'll do now. So now connection, servo you can connect to this servo 1. Okay, so from the sensor you can see here there will be VCC trigger. Let me show you. You can see VCC, green is the trigger, blue is the echo, this last one is the ground. So this you need to connect here. You can see in these pins, you can see now positive and negative. So positive you can connect here, positive you can connect here. So ground you can connect here. Next that echo trigger we need to connect here. So in this we saw right here, you can see green one is the trigger. So trigger we need to connect to A0. So you can see here these pins are there now, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So this green one we need to connect here in A0, and this blue one we need to connect to A1. That is the echo. Right. So now connections and all ready. So let's upload the program. Then it's ready for this. Okay. Let's do programming now. So now you open this file in Arduino. So before you load this file into Arduino board, first you just check it whether you have these libraries installed or not. So make sure you install all these libraries. Okay, you can download all these libraries and you can load it easily by clicking on include library. Just click on add zip library. Like that you add all these libraries. Make sure all these libraries are installed. Otherwise it will give you error that that particular library is not available. So you can check it by clicking on verify, that whether you have all the libraries installed or not. So if you are not getting any error, then all the libraries are installed. So once it is installed, so you can just select the board. You can see mine is Arduino UNO, then I connected to COM4, then just click on this upload, then it will be uploading to our board and our project is ready. Now I'll show you like how it is working. Okay, we'll see that now. Only one change I did is like I changed from 2S to 3S bed, because 2S is not enough to take the turns and all. That's the reason I changed to 3S. Other than that, everything is same. So now we'll test it and see how it is.